Hello, and welcome to the Superb AI Academy. My name is Sam, and today I'll be talking about embeddings and using the scatter view. When images are uploaded to a Curate dataset or sent to Curate from Superb Label, Curate will start generating embeddings for these images. I've just uploaded this small dataset to Curate. As you can see here in this header, the embeddings are still generating. These embeddings, once generated, will allow us to group images by their similarity, which will let us extract useful information about your dataset even if it's without metadata or isn't annotated. Now that the embeddings are complete, one of the ways we can engage with the embedding space is using our scatter view tool. Currently, I'm in the grid view. If I click on the scatter view here, it will take me to the scatter view tool. If we've not created a scatter view yet, we'll need to click Generate Projections first. This can take a few minutes to complete. Let's hop over to a larger dataset to see the scatter view in action. Here's the scatter view for a larger dataset with 100,000 images. The embeddings created for these images each have over 1,000 dimensions. To display the embedding space here, we have to reduce them down to 2, and as such a lot of information is not being shown. However, the techniques we use to show the embeddings in a 2D space aspire to preserve the general structure and groupings of the images. By default, the image scatter view will show images as points. We can view individual images by hovering over or clicking on points. And we can display multiple images at the same time by using Control-click or Command-click on Mac. We can also use the drag and select mode to select larger groups of images. Alternatively, we can view the images as thumbnails. This view can let us quickly identify patterns in our dataset, such as nighttime images or images with particular features or locations. When we select a region of the scatter view, we can use the Image Preview sidebar to review selected images immediately. However, we can also save these selections as slices or add them to existing slices for further review and processing. With a region selected, click on the Slice button. We're given the option to create a new slice and add these images to it, or add them to an existing slice. Let's create a new slice. We're prompted to enter a name and an optional description. Note that while this dataset has 100,000 images in it, only a representative subset of the images are displayed in the scatter view. In this case, a little over 2,000 images are displayed. However, when we add regions of the scatter view to a slice, even images that are not displayed are added. Here we can see we've sampled 240 of the visible images in the scatter view, but over 11,000 images are being added to our slice. Once images have been added to a slice, we can view them in the Slices tab. I'll select this slice I created earlier. From this slice, we can review images, we can auto-curate from them, or we can send them to label. See our querying and slicing and auto-curation videos for more information. From within a slice, we can also view the scatter view. We can check this box to directly compare the scatter view of an individual slice to the dataset as a whole. Returning to the complete dataset, if annotated data has been uploaded to Curate, embeddings will also be generated for the annotated objects. We can view these objects on the scatter view as well as images by selecting the Object view and then the Scatter view. From within this view, we can also view individual objects, select groups, and we can filter by specific types of objects. And that's it for this episode of Superb AI Academy. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.